Say bye and talk. Mommy, I want to buy these cameras that Perry has. I like these cameras.
How do you get the coins out? There we go. No, somebody puts it in though.
I just videoed the toilet flushing. I just video on it. You should see it on the TV. Hey, what are you doing with that?